Hi guys! Today we're going to make buldak and some spam musubi. Let's start by cutting some spam.
Don't cut it, you're gonna get hot.
Not really.
Sorry.
1,
Ow.
2,
It looks so good.
3,
Why are you counting?
4.
Why are you counting?
Why not? 4,
Why are you doing
5.
that? Why does it look like that?
I don't know. What?
What?
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This video.
O, diba?
Wow.
Okay. Now we're done cutting the spam. We're going to mix some eggs.
Okay. Here.
Let's make some scrambled eggs.
Okay. Oh, yeah. That's not.
Okay, we're going to add a pinch of salt to make it a little more tasteful.
What away?
And now it's time to cook. But first, we should make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Nasty. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so spicy.
It's not that spicy. It's just salt. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's mix it slightly for the sugar to dissolve into the soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yes. Then we're going to add some pepper for it to be a little more tasteful.
I want milk, mommy. I just want milk. Mommy, I just want milk.
Okay, I'll give you milk. Going to mix it out again. First, we're going to cook the scrambled eggs. Wait.
Mommy, eggs.
Look at that.
Why does it look like that?
We're going to cook it for a while.
Is it cooking?
Yeah. And in another pot, we're going to cook some buldak.
We're gonna put some buldak. Why does it look like that?
Okay, now the egg is cooked. We're going to cook the ham for the spam musubi.
Siwaw, siwaw, siwaw. It's on.
Then we are going to wait a few minutes for it to be cooked. After it's fully cooked, let's pour the sauce. Then we're going to press this into the scrambled eggs. You push it. What?
Tapos, dalit na laswat. Nasutoto. One sukalit milk. I want my sukalit milk. I want my black cell phone.
Then we're going to put some Japanese rice into a mold. Then we're going to put the egg on top of the rice. And the ham. Then we're going to put the seaweed on top of it. And then we have our spam musubi.
Is it saucy?
Let's make another one.
I'm gonna eat it. What's that going? What time is what time is it?
Then we're going to put the egg again. And a half.
And a half? Okay. Is it for me?
Yeah.
Wow! You built it.
Then we made another one. Here. We made the third one.
Okay.
Then we're going to mix the boda with cheese.
I'm eating
You can have
it.
one. Benji. You eat one.
Eat
You can have one.
Huh?
Go eat it.
It's okay.
I just wanna do it like that.
Okay. You want it like that? Okay.
Okay.
No, no, no. Psst. No, no, no. It's okay. We're done. I think we're done.
It looks like that.
This is spicy.
I just want that.
And now that we have also the hot sauce on the noodles, we're going to mix it. Wait, where's the...
You make singing?
It's very spicy. So this one is you're gonna eat. So that's why you're gonna eat this one. Okay, now we're done with the bulldog. Dinner's ready.
Dinner is ready.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye-bye,
See you
guys.
next time.